up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Over here at B&K Performance, just got over here. Got the car finished up last night for the most part, so we're gonna try to get the fluid in it, get it cranked up tonight. Bryan is in there putting together his bad hot rod. He got it down on the ground last night, got the wheels on it. This thing is gonna be phenomenal when it gets all said and done. Transmission fluid that we run in our cars is really good on heat. Does really good, doesn't smell near as bad. You can get this stuff at O'Reilly's is where we normally buy it from. Castro Blue. Let me show you the part number. In my opinion, this is way better than any other hydraulic oil out there. It does really good against heat, and it doesn't stink near as bad when you get it burnt. 40247, call O'Reilly's. It's like $100 or so for that 5-gallon pail. Pretty cheap, works really good, does a real good job. It's a little thicker than normal transmission fluid. It's going to tighten up the converter just a tad, which usually that's what we want in a turbo car. All right, let's get this thing, let's see if it'll crank up. We have not tried to crank it yet today, so I got 3.5 quarts in it. So we're gonna crank it up and then cut it off, and then put another 3.5 quarts in it, and then just gradually add a quart at a time. Let's see if it cranks. Now, this thing has not been cranked in a while. I'm gonna hit it with brake clean. Brake clean, baby. Oh no, it's gonna fire. Well, that was surprising. Bryan, it cranked up without brake clean. It is a little warmer today. It's probably about 65. Took a few minutes for the fuel pump to prime up though. My fuel pump is a little old and beat up. Still works good though, but it doesn't prime the best. It doesn't have a lot of cranking fuel pressure. Okay, let's put some fluid in it. right. All right, all right, all right. Took 7 quarts, Brian. Yeah, I didn't apparently drain it all out of the converter. Oh boy. God, that is gonna look good.
It's a lot of adjusting it here in squares.
Wow. The stripes that he has on this thing. What'd you say they are? They're a black pearl? Black diamond off of a Cadillac. God, that does look good, Brian. And when you get that lower valence on it, oh yeah, it's gonna look real nice. Let me show y'all what I did under the bottom too. Ex-highway patrol car. Look at that. That's crazy. Apparently it's worth a little bit more money. Well, it was. It's not anymore. I have completely destroyed it. Front valence is about to fall off. This fitting up here is leaking. Looks like they're both leaking. I had a cooler on it and it was hard lined and I messed up the fitting. So we just looped this temporarily. Instead, we're just bypassing the transmission cooler. I took all this stuff off that was back here. I'm gonna put my transmission cooler back on it, but I gotta order some line and some more fittings. So we just got looped for right now. But of course it's leaking like a sieve, which one of the fittings was messed up. So I was pretty sure it was gonna leak. I still like patina, but this is very, very nice. Awesome job, dude. So we're gonna load mine back in the trailer. It's ready to go. So let's load it in real fast and then we are done. All right, guys, well, we got it back in the trailer. She's ready to go for the most part. We'll have to order up some transmission lines and fittings. And we're gonna put the transmission cooler back on it, back at the back, just to make sure, because this thing's it gets hot lapped sometimes, and I wanna make sure we can keep the transmission as cool as possible. So we're gonna order that stuff. All right, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. We will see y'all soon. Thanks.